Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Philips Hue Bridge not connecting to internet. First, make sure all cables are properly connected. Next, power cycle your devices. Unplug the power from both the router and the Hue Bridge. Wait 30 seconds, then plug the router back in. Wait for it to fully reboot. Once the router is back online, plug in the Hue Bridge. Look at the lights on the front of the bridge. The first light shows power, the second shows network, and the third, which looks like a globe, shows the internet connection. A steady third light means the bridge is connected. If it is off or blinking, the connection failed. If the connection still does not work, log into your router settings and make sure DHCP is enabled. This allows the bridge to receive an IP address automatically. You can also check for firewall settings or something called AP isolation. Temporarily disable these settings to see if they are blocking the bridge from connecting. Finally, if nothing else works, you can reset the bridge. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button on the back of the bridge for at least 5 seconds until the lights blink. Then set up the bridge again in the Philips Hue app from the beginning. Following these steps should fix most connection problems with the Hue Bridge. Thanks for watching.